Hi, I'm Todd. This is Jen. We're from Integrative Therapeutics, and we're going to be demonstrating the abdominal curl-up or crunch exercise. Where the hands get placed dictates how hard the exercise is. Starting position with the hands down at the side is the easiest. Jen's going to tuck her chin just a little bit in towards her chest, and then imagining a string from her breastbone pulling up this way. She's going to lift her shoulder blades off the floor, hold for a half a beat, and then back down slowly. Shoulder blades off the floor again, and back down. Crossing the hands up over the chest makes this exercise a bit harder. And hands on top of the head makes it harder still. Either way. Good.